Hey guys, let's get ready with your quiz review part 2. Okay, sorry I had to cut off early yesterday. I had a lot going on last night. So let's get started here. Alright, let's write in blue. Alright, so given GC is parallel to PS, so that's our given. Alright. We also see GS is parallel to CP. That's another given. Alright. We're proving that triangle GCF is congruent to triangle PSC. So the first thing that we're going to note, these are parallel, right? So this here is our transversal. Sorry, that's our transversal. So we can say that GCS, because GC is parallel to PS, so GC is parallel to PS, and this is our transversal, we can say that these angles are alternate interior angles. So we have angle GCS, that's a C. Angle GCS is congruent, to angle PSC, right? GCS PSC. That's this right there. And that is because they're alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay? So next, we already have this as our given. So number 4, since we have now that GS is parallel to CP, we can say the reverse, right? We can say these are alternate interior angles, right? We can just say it for this. So that gives us angle GSC is congruent to angle PCS. Okay? And once again, this is because they're alternate interior angles. Okay? So now for number 5, we can go ahead and say that this is equal to itself, right? Because, I mean, it's for both triangles. It's a line that goes for both triangles. And obviously it's equal to itself. So that's SC is congruent to itself, SC. And this is the reflective property of congruence. Okay? So finally, we have what we set out to prove, and looking at this, we have angle, side, angle. Okay? So I hope everyone gets that. That's how you do this one. Alright? Now we want to look at number 24. Hold on. There we go. That is so much easier than wiping it, let me tell you. Okay? So, HTA, angle HTA is congruent to angle THA. That's given to us. Okay? We're not told that triangle HAT is an isosceles triangle. However, we know that HAT, because these two angles are congruent. So that makes it an isosceles triangle, right? So this is the definition of an isosceles triangle. Okay? Now HA is congruent to TA. All right? And that is the converse of the isosceles triangle theorem. Let's just say, yeah, that's just, hold on. Let's just say that is the isosceles triangle theorem. You don't have to worry about the converse, okay? Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay? The isosceles triangle theorem says if this is an isosceles triangle, then, and these two are the congruent angles, then the segments directly across from the congruent angles, right, are congruent to each other as well. So now we have A is the midpoint of ER, that's given. Okay. And we have EA is congruent to AR. We know that because of the definition of a midpoint. Definition of a midpoint. Okay? Angle TAR and angle HAE are congruent. That's also given to us. So finally, we can say that these triangles are congruent, that, let's see, TAR and HAE are congruent because of angle, side, angle, right? So that's just angle, side, angle. Okay? So that's how we do that one. And finally, we have number 25. Given that angle Z is congruent to angle C and line AK bisects angle DKC, prove that triangle AKZ is congruent to triangle AKC. So let's go ahead and write in our given. Angle B is congruent to angle C, and AK bisects angle ZKC. All right, that's our given. Okay. We're also trying to prove that triangle AKZ is congruent to triangle AKC. Remember? So always put that in last, because that just gives you an extra point, couple points, whatever. All right, so now we are told, so since AK bisects angle ZKC, hold on. Those two angles are congruent, right? So we have angle ZKA is congruent to angle CKA. And we were given that this angle is congruent to this angle, right? Just going to draw that in so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. So finally, we have AK is congruent to itself, which we know to be the reflexive property. The reflexive property of congruence, right? Got to put up a congruence in there. And finally, we have that these two triangles are congruent, right? Because of angle, angle, side. Okay. Now after this, we just have similar triangles to work with. We have that extra worksheet. And I'm not going to show that to you because the answers are online and that's easy to find. So if you have any more questions, I'm available to meet, well, after school today where no one is here. In the morning tomorrow, I should be here by 7:45. I'll try to get in earlier, but no promises. And if you're in 6th period, you can come see me at lunch, okay? So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good luck on your quiz.